Hey, so here's Klarna app. So let's do a quick overview how to actually shop with Klarna app if you haven't used it before. So the idea is that you shop now, pay later. Super easy. So there are a lot of apps like that. It's basically a credit app for shopping. So of course you don't buy stuff for free, but you just get like 4 weeks. You can buy the stuff now and pay in 4 weeks. And the app is basically a browser. So here is, for example, okay, I will just show you how the checkout process works, and then we'll just go. So for example, this is the app, this is my browser. I can go through different stores. As you can see here, like H&M, any other website, I can just type URL, Nike, Adidas, anything you like. And then, yeah, there are also categories. It's not all only clothing, obviously, it's just whatever you like. And then you just have your browsing history, similar as in Google Chrome or Safari. And the thing is, you just doing the same as you would do in any other normal browser, but then in the end, you will be able to just add a Klarna option in addition to like PayPal or like MasterCard. Can tap on checkout. Then you can just, okay, in this store, I just need to enter my address, and the postal code depends on the store what they need. I'll just enter some dummy address, and then I'll just enter some dummy phone, and then I can just continue. And then you will see that I just have standard delivery options, but also I have payments with Klarna. So of course I can still pay with card, with PayPal, but I can just pay with Klarna, and I need to pay 14 days after shipment. I will just get my invoice by email, and then yeah, that's about it. And I don't need I can just tap buy now, and the shipment will start and it will be delivered. So there you have it. That's how the app works. That's basically the process. So yeah, you don't need to add your credit card or anything. But of course, then you will have bill. Then in my Klarna tab in the bottom right, you will just have payments. You will see your purchases. Then you will see your returns, delivery, stores, and you can always contact support. And then there is like a live chat for support here. So that's the idea. And then yeah, there is a library where you can create collections and see some items. So that's kind of the app, the credit app basically. So be careful. It's not that you can just buy so much stuff like just for free, because it seems you don't need to pay. But of course, then after 4 weeks, you will need to pay for it. So yeah, there you have it. Hope this video overview how to shop with Klarna was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.